Hello everyone! Today we're making a classic comfort food, spaghetti and meatballs. I'll start with veggies. I'll roughly chop the carrots into small pieces before adding them into the food processor. Next, I will finely chop the garlic and onions. We want to chop the garlic and onion really small so they don't end up as big chunks in our meatballs. If the garlic and onion are not finely chopped, the meatballs will be difficult to form. While the exact origin of meatballs is unclear, they have been enjoyed in various cultures for hundreds of years. Meatballs can be made with a variety of meats including beef, pork, lamb, and even fish. As you can see, these are the ingredients we will need to make our delicious meatballs. Don't worry about exact measurements for the salt and pepper. Just add it to your liking. Alright, time to add the onion, garlic, and carrot. Mix it all together real good. Spaghetti and meatballs can be customized to fit different dietary needs and preferences. Vegetarian and vegan versions can be made using plant-based protein sources and vegetable-based sauces. Now we shall begin forming the meatballs. And again, the size of the meatballs can be adjusted to your personal preference. Some people like bigger, some people like smaller. Roll your meatballs to your favorite size and make sure you use all the meat. I will demonstrate how to form a few meatballs, and then we will fast forward to the point where all the meatballs are formed. And here they are. In the preheated pan, add your desired cooking oil. We will begin by frying the meatballs. By the way, we don't need to fully cook the meatballs now, as they will continue to cook in the sauce later. If you want a little extra flavor, fry the meatballs until they get a bit crispy. Flip them or roll them as needed. To save your precious time, I will not demonstrate the frying process for each individual meatball. We will skip ahead to when all the meatballs are cooked. We will add a small amount of cooking oil to a preheated pan. Then we will saute the garlic briefly before adding the meatballs. Next, we will add the spaghetti sauce to the meatballs and simmer the mixture over low-medium heat for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, let's cook the spaghetti. I will add the spaghetti to a pot of boiling water with 1 tablespoon of salt. To prevent the spaghetti from sticking, I will add a drizzle of olive oil. Now let's mix everything together. First, I will add the spaghetti to the dish. Then I will top it with the meatballs and sauce. Time to mix it all together. To make it look pretty and taste even better, we'll add some fresh parsley. It's optional though. Another one, easy dish. Let us try. You really gotta try it. If I say it's so good, you maybe will start laughing because I'm telling, but it's really very delicious. It's that good. Very simple. And fast too, and delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.